Hey guys, managing your finances with Skrill means knowing exactly where your money goes. Here's the guide to checking your here's the guide checking your transaction history quickly and efficiently. Step 1, log into your Skrill account, mobile or desktop. Step 2, go to activity on the top menu. This shows all transactions, deposits, withdrawals, payments, and received funds. Step 3, use filters for date range, transaction type, or currency to quickly find specific transactions. Step 4, click any transaction to view detailed info like transaction ID, sender or recipient details, currency conversion rates applied, fees charged. Pro tip, export your transaction history as a CSV or PDF. This is perfect for accounting, tax reports, or business reconciliation. Checking your Skrill history regularly ensures you catch errors, right? Track spending and stay fully in control of your account. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.